Hello and welcome to my studio. I have just received the Seaside stickers that I ordered to accompany my summer house collection. If you watched that video, I mentioned that I had ordered this kit and I wanted to share it with you. There are a lot of stickers in the pack. And it says that we get 80 3D stickers. So let's take a look at them. So let's take a look. Whew, look at all that. It's gorgeous. Okay, and I will be right back. Off camera, I went ahead and separated out the different shells, and it looks like we get 4 of each design, and there are 20 different sticker designs. So we'll start with this one. Very pretty. And we have this one. I like these shells because in the summer house collection, her shells they're just very brown. They don't have any color. And I wanted to add color to my page with some of the shells. So I saw this sticker pack and I thought, well, that's what I need. I need to elevate the colors a little on my page. So we have greens and purples and peaches and pinks and red. And I think that will really help the page. And then we have foiled stickers, a shell, and that's another shell. There we go. And these are all very common shells that we find at the beach. And you may have pictures of your beach collection of shells, and that would make a really pretty page. Okay. All right. So I do have one other product that I want to share with you, so I'll be right back. This is Anna Griffin's Paradise dies, and I bought this set for my Paradise paper, but I think this will be a good die set to use for making some scrapbook pages with the summer house collection. So I just wanted to take a minute and share it with you, just in case you might be interested to add it to your collection. There we go. And there. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I appreciate that you're spending time with me, and I thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.